everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that whenever I post, you get a notification. This video is in collaboration with a brand which we all love and have been using their products for a really long time, which is none other than Plum Goodness. I genuinely enjoy their green tea range products, and now Plum has come up with a new 10% niacinamide and rice water serum, which honestly has been a game changer in my skincare routine. I have shared my utmost honest experience and how I have incorporated that serum into my skincare routine. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. For those who don't know, niacinamide is actually a form of vitamin B3 and is a power pack ingredient for fighting with acne scars, blemishes. It helps to regulate the sebum production and helps in building the resiliency of the skin barrier. Now talking about the serum, this is how the serum is. It's the newly launched Plum's 10% niacinamide and rice water serum. Talking about the packaging first, this is how the beautiful product looks like. Very decent and a very nice packaging, looks really very nice in your vanity. Now it has a complete list of ingredients here, which is really very important because one must know what he or she is applying on the face. So that's a very plus point. We open this. This is how the serum looks like. It comes in a frosted glass bottle. 10% niacinamide and rice water serum. Frosted glass bottle with a dropper. Easiest and the most appropriate one for the application of serum. Then we also have a leaflet inside here. Now this leaflet contains all the frequently asked questions on one side, and on the other side it basically has what all ingredients and about what all it has. Like here it says that it has niacinamide, rice water, squalene, which is really a very important and such a great ingredient. After the packaging, now let's move on to the ingredient list, and I must say that the ingredient list is really very nice. It contains 10% niacinamide, which is really great for acne spots and regulating the sebum production. Then it has rice water extracts, which is sourced from Japan and is really very nice for blemishes, wrinkles and enlarged pores. Then it also contains some naturally plant derived caffeine and vitamin E, which helps to soothe the skin. In addition to that, it also has squalene, which is really very nice for anti-aging and overall nourishment of the skin. The combination of 10% niacinamide and rice water is really very impressive and is very great for a healthy and glowing skin. Now this serum offers amazing benefits, including the reduction in fine lines, wrinkles, blemishes, treating the acne spots, and also regulating the sebum production, reducing the amount of enlarged pores on the face. After the packaging, ingredient list and the benefits that this serum offers, now let's move on to the application. I have just washed my face and I have nothing on my face right now. So what I do after cleansing is that instead of applying a serum directly on the face, I like to damp my face with a toner. My skin is a little damp now, it's not completely dry, so now I'm gonna take in my serum. I'll just take a few drops of the serum. I like to pat it into my skin like so. So it's a really very light texture. I am a combination skin type person, so even the lightest amount of layering gives a lot of heaviness on my skin, but this feels so light, not at all sticky. After patting it, I like to massage it into my skin. I take it to my neck as well. After this, I wait for 2 to 3 minutes to let it get absorbed into my skin completely, and after that I go in with the moisturizer. This is how my skin looks after the application of serum and moisturizer. I feel it's a very glowy, very dewy look. Coming to my personal experience, very frankly, my experience with this serum has been really very nice. I can visibly see that I had much more enlarged pores earlier. I have been using this serum for around 2 weeks now, and I can see that these pores are a little bit shrinking. Also, it has given me a great glow from within. The texture of the serum is really very soft, very non-sticky. It's non-comedogenic, so it will not clog your pores. It glides on into the skin really very nicely. I personally feel like this is a power pack product. You don't have to include 10 different kind of products for different problems in your skincare routine. Just include this one serum in your skincare routine and you're all sorted. This is such a nice and such so much of benefits that including this only will solve most of your problems. It is suitable for all skin types and is surely every skin's BFF. A 4-week self-assessment conducted by Plum shows that 83% of the users observed that they have reduction in blemishes, 3/4 of the people had clearer skin, and 88% of the users have reported that they have seen visible differences in their skin tones. I do have a discount code for all of you. I would highly recommend you all to buy this serum and try it out for yourself. I'll leave the discount code in the description box below. You can avail additional 10% off on your purchase of this 10% niacinamide and rice water serum from Plum Goodness website. And I hope you found this video helpful. Do let me know in the comments which is your favorite Plum product. I would love to know that, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care, stay safe.